Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. The 1947 Plymouth Deluxe is a classic automobile that represents an era of renewed optimism and prosperity in post-World War II America. Produced by the Plymouth division of Chrysler, the Deluxe series captured the spirit of the late 1940s with its smooth styling, durable engineering, and accessible pricing, making it a favorite among middle-class American families, though overshadowed in popularity by some of its contemporaries like Ford and Chevrolet. The Plymouth Deluxe carved its own legacy through reliability, understated elegance, and practical design. One of the defining characteristics of the Plymouth Deluxe is its timeless design. It retains the basic body style of pre-war models, but with subtle updates that gave it a fresh and modern appearance for the time. The rounded fenders, smooth curves, and prominent grille exuded a sense of confidence. Chrome accents added a touch of flair without being excessive, and the car's balanced proportions made it a standout in the crowded post-war market. It was offered in several body styles including a two-door sedan, four-door sedan, club coupe, and convertible, catering to a wide range of tastes and needs. Under the hood, the 1947 Plymouth Deluxe was powered by a 217.8 cubic inch inline-six engine, producing around 95 horsepower. While modest by today's standards, this engine was known for its durability and smooth operation. It was paired with a 3-speed manual transmission with a column shifter, which drivers of the era often praised for its ease of use. The car was built with a robust chassis and featured leaf spring suspension, which contributed to a surprisingly smooth ride for its time. It wasn't designed for speed, but rather for dependable everyday driving, and in that role, it excelled. Inside, the Plymouth Deluxe was equally impressive. It offered a spacious cabin with bench seating both in the front and rear. The materials used were simple yet durable, with cloth upholstery and tasteful trim. The dashboard featured clear gauges and an AM radio as an option, luxuries that added to the driving experience without overwhelming it. The layout was practical and driver-focused, with good visibility and a comfortable steering wheel. One of the car's strongest selling points was its reputation for being easy to maintain and operate, a crucial factor in an era when self-reliance in car ownership was more common. Today, the 1947 Plymouth Deluxe holds a special place in the hearts of classic car enthusiasts. It may not have the glamorous image of a Cadillac or the sporty edge of a Ford coupe, but it stands out as a reliable, stylish, and accessible classic. Restorers and collectors appreciate its solid build quality and the availability of original parts. Many examples still run on American roads, or can be seen at vintage car shows, a testament to the model's enduring craftsmanship. In a world increasingly dominated by high-tech vehicles and computerized systems, the Plymouth Deluxe offers a charming glimpse into a simpler automotive era. It's a symbol of American resilience, a car built for families, war veterans, and everyday workers who were ready to embrace life after years of global turmoil. The 1947 Plymouth Deluxe may not roar or race, but it certainly rolls on with grace and dignity, capturing the heart of anyone who values the golden age of motoring.